What's up? Tim Sykes here with Amir Zachary.
What's up, Tim?
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you, man.
You like the villa?
This is insane. I mean, it's like hard to believe that we're here right now.
And we're opening 3 schools tomorrow. Very exciting with the charity. You might see he has the Save the Reef shirt. Click the link below. We're going to include the link to our documentary, Save the Reef, which this guy produced, directed, wrote in, starred in, lost his mind in, changed his hairstyle in. He did it all. What was that process like?
I mean, it was an extremely humbling process. We got to really, come together on an issue that's probably one of the most important issues in the world today. Tim got to bring all these influencers and nonprofits together, and it was such a team effort, honestly. Like, I can't even express that enough.
Amir is very humble. He also just did, more work than like my ancestors did building the freaking pyramids in Egypt. And he did not die like my ancestors did. I don't know. The point is that you worked so hard and you learned so much while making that documentary. Now, what have you been working on the past few months?
So we've been making a film course where we are teaching you everything you need to know if you want to pick up a GoPro or you want to pick up a DSLR or a drone, you name it. The point is that you can start making money making videos with a phone. If your story is good enough, your shots are done right, your audio is good, you don't need fancy camera equipment. And, with Kamigawa, we're showing all these issues and conundrums in the world today, but we need videos.
We need content.
We need content.
And good content.
Good content, not crap content. And so, we came up with this idea. Why not try to create a new generation of creative filmmakers who are not just making dope videos, but they're for a positive reason. So we can, approach an issue and make a video about it.
I know so many people who have the potential to really help the world. And people message me, people message you all the time, like, how do we help? How do we help? You help by helping us create content, by helping tell the story of problems worldwide. We can only travel to so many countries in person at a time. I did 32 countries last year. That was excessive. I gained more body weight than Amir has in his, left nut. But the point is that we can only do so much. We need your help.
We do.
And we have to teach you, because it's not enough just to hold up your phone and document. That's not necessarily going to get more people involved. So please, check out this course. We're going to click the link below. We're going to issue a very special discount just for watching this, because we want to help you get motivated to learn. We need better creators. We want to make the world better, and we need your help. And Amir is going to teach you every single thing he's learned from filmmaking. He's all self-taught, and you can be self-taught too, but you're going to go through years of frustration, so much wasted time that's fine on, if it was any other time in human history, but we don't have time, okay? We need to help the world right now. Too many species are dying and going extinct every single day. Don't even get me started about the extinction going on in Hawaii. So many different species. Some species we don't even know about, we're never gonna know about. Every day counts right now. That's why Amir has been working his butt off on this guide, because it's not just about documentaries showing it. It's about getting you guys and girls the tools and the strategies needed to actually become content creators and help the world right now before it's too late.
Yep. And I'm stoked about this guide, mainly because everything, when I picked up a camera, there were so many things I wish I would have known, and I teach everything, all my mistakes, everything you shouldn't do, all the pro tips. Like, this is gonna propel you through that first year, like, insanely.
We're also gonna include a link just below this video with a free video lesson on this guide, so that you can get a taste of it. You can see how amazing this is. This is not just like a normal guide. A lot of the profits are actually gonna go to charity. This is about increasing our content potential and increasing awareness about so many world issues. And if you take this course, which you should do, you will become a better filmmaker, a better content provider, and we can use your content to improve the world. So it's all included, right? That's the beautiful thing. We're all working together. It's an infinity sign,
it's the infinity sign.
This is what Kamigawa is all about. You can make money for yourself, you can make money for brands, you can help the world, you can help us. And when we all work together, I truly believe that we can make this a better world. But it is getting urgent, okay? We don't know whether we have 5 or 10 or 20 years left until there's no return. But it's definitely in the next few decades. So the sooner you learn these skills, the sooner you create, world-changing content, the sooner we can improve this world and make this a better planet for humans and animals alike. Click links below. You're going to get a free video lesson. You're going to get a special discount. And let's just teach you. And let's work together. That's what this is all about.
Let's do it.